Hello, I'm Marie Stevens, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a flower. The particular flower I'm going to try to sketch today is a rose. So this is a simple way that you can start learning how to draw a rose. This is a design that I did way back when I was a little girl. And first, you start with making a little snail shape. And then you start making the petals like this. You just keep going, kind of like scales or shingles. And you go back and forth until it looks kind of the way you want it to look. And some of these petals, they don't have to be perfectly rounded. You can kind of make them be more irregular shaped. And sometimes they have kind of a sharper angle on one side, because if you look at a real rose, the petals kind of do that. They'll furl around, but then they kind of bend in a certain way. And then you just keep going until it gets to the size that you want it to get. We're getting close here. This is so cool. I'm so excited about this Loom app. I'll be able to share so much more with you in the way of tutorials. Okay, I think it's about done. It's hard to know when to stop because you could really just keep going and going until you fill up the whole page. And if you want to do that, that's fine. Okay, so then the next thing you're going to do is draw the stem, which I'm just going to go really simple this time. And then to make the petals, really a rose, not a petal, the leaves. A rose leaf isn't just one single leaf. It's like something more like, now I'm like questioning myself. I need to go to my book to, I'm a horticulturist, so I should know what exactly a rose leaf looks like, but it's a leaf with lots of little leaflets. Is actually what it looks like. So this is kind of close, but there's our little rose. And then, let's see, I wonder if I could color this in. I'm gonna go for some nice pinky color here. Maybe a little brighter. Is that kind of like a millennial pink? Let's see what that's like. That's interesting, but that's not what I wanted. Hmm. So I did that magic selector thing, and now I think I can just go bloop, and then I go back. Oh, I wonder if I could. Oh no. deselect. You know what? I'm just gonna bucket fill it and call it good for this, for simplicity. There. And there is a rose. I'm going to sign it. Maybe. Why would it? Oh, because it's in pink. I gotta switch it back to black. That's a little bit too fat. There you go, people. Another thing you can do to create some depth is you can, like, you add these vertical lines kind of here and there where in these V-shaped sections of the rose. And then it will kind of show you some depth. I should have done this with a darker pink. What? Oh, I have to, okay. There. Let's see that. I'm really not sure why this highlighter thing is. I think that's part of the Loom app. Well, I might have to come back another time because this video is getting to be too long. But do you get the idea? You can like do lines to kind of show which direction the petals are going to. Like, say this is like a flat surface. So you do some kind of more horizontal lines that are more, well, they're lines that are perpendicular to the ones that you did to show that where it's going down into the flower. And they kind of radiate around. I'm getting sloppy because I feel like this is too long of a video. What do you guys think so far? I am working with a spotlight and it's shining right in my eyes so that my face will be more illuminated. So it's kind of making it hard to see what I'm doing. Oop, I think I'm working too fast for my little Wacom tablet to keep up. Now I'm going to make the petals be kind of a dark green. Or not the petals, sorry, the leaves. And really, rose petal or rose leaves are kind of a dark green. A nice deep huntery green, but they do have some lighter tone in them as well. Maybe I should brighten that up a little. Let's try that. Give them some highlights. This is fun. I might even put a little bit of yellow in this. To show kind of where the light kind of comes through the leaf. I'll just be little flecks hither and thither for fun. I need a timer or my videos are going to be way too long. And then I can add, I'm going to add this to show that the light is coming from this way. Because I'm kind of nerdy like that. Okay, let's see. So now if I want to get back to this color, I use that color selector tool. And then I want to add even more highlights to some of these areas. That's almost too white. I think I need it to be a little bit more pinky. Or should it be darker? I don't know. Let's see what happens when I do that. That doesn't look right to me. I feel like I need a hat on to keep this bright light out of my eyeballs. Now I'm getting to where I'm just going to outline it, I think. Almost done. This is turning out better than I thought. Okay guys, I think it's done. Thanks for watching.